Hello everyone and welcome to our Access Shop.Pro tutorials. Today we're going to talk about one important feature, and that is how you add payment systems and payment processing gateways to your store. It's very important that your customers get the best service and they also get multiple payment options. One of the reasons why Shop.Pro comes with various payment options and payment processors already built in. All you have to do, of course, is you have to enable them and make them available to your customers. So we're going to start by going to our demo shop. And we're going to add a product to our cart. I'm just going to click add cart for this product. I'm going to view the cart just to see that the product is there and see my total fees. And then I'm going to go to the checkout. I am going to go through the checkout process as a guest. And I'm just going to enter some demo variables here just to prove the point of this actual exercise. I'm going to add an address. Okay, the other ones are being already populated, which is good. And then I can choose the shipping rate. And just to show you, the shipping rate can be configured in the admin control panel in the back office just by going to extensions and then clicking the shipping option. And here you can see that the flat rate is the only one enabled, but you do get a lot of other options, a various diverse list of options which you can use for your store. You can get Australia Post, Citylink, FedEx, and including free shipping and Royal Mail. Let's say that I want to enable free shipping for my store. All I have to do is I have to click the green install button. Once I do that, the module will become available, and then I have to click edit because right now, as you can see, it's disabled, so I have to click edit, and then I have to enable it, and then of course click save. And at this very point, this should become available to all customers, and I'm gonna have to go through the checkout process again, but really quick I'm gonna do it because this list will be pre-populated, and there it is. Free shipping shows up first, and it allows customers to receive the product without paying for the actual shipping. Alright, and then when you go to the checkout process to the payment method, there is nothing there, and that's because there is nothing configured. So what we have to do is we have to go back to the back office and click extensions and then payments. And you will see that there are a number of various options here depending on the type of package and type of product you're going to purchase with Shop.Pro. But for the demo of this video, we will just use cash on delivery. You can see that they're all enabled, of course. I'm just going to choose cash on delivery. I'm going to click edit, and I am going to enable it. And then I'm going to click save. And right now this will become enabled. I can see that it's enabled. And I also want to enable person-to-person payments. Person-to-person payments allows sellers to provide instructions to their customers on what they should do to pay for their products with three of the most common payment processors in the Asian markets. That's Alipay, Allpay, and UnionPay. And they can just enter these instructions here for customers to have. And of course they will have to enter the instructions in all the languages, but they also have to enable the extension just to show it. And I'm going to click instructions. I'm just going to click save here. Alright, now I will have to go through the checkout process again, so I'm going to reload the page. I am going to click continue, and I'm going to click continue because the list is already pre-populated from the previous setting. I'm going to click continue again, and here they are. I have cash on delivery, and I have, of course, Alipay, Allpay, UnionPay, and again, cash on delivery. Okay, so now I click continue. I confirm my order. I check that everything's alright. I confirm my order. And what happens is the order is being placed, and then you, as a seller, will be able to see it just by going to the dashboard. Once you go to the dashboard, you will see that you have one total order, you have a total sale of 123 in this case, and then you can actually see the order and its status. By default, statuses for these guests that are not registered are being set to cancel, but of course you can view the order, and then you can just change its status to, let's say, processing, and then all you have to do is well, you can just check it out, you can configure the order, you can send the deliverables to the customer, and once the order goes through, everything should be fine. You can print an invoice, of course, you can print a shipping list, and that's that. There are customers details which you can edit in case those are needed, like the store, which is by default the one that you have set up with Shop.Pro, the currency to use, the eventual customer if it's already a registered customer or not, the customer group if you have anyone, any such group defined, the first, last name, email, and phone number of your customers, and then you click continue, and yeah, you can set up the payment details just like the customer itself has done in the checkout process, and then you just choose the free shipping, or you can choose one of the shipping methods available and the different payment methods that exist in the store, and then you just click save. Let's say the order is set to processing, so I just click save, and this order now shows as being processed. So when I go to orders, I can see that the order is processing, and once I deliver the products and the customer has the products, I can set this to done. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you realize that it's not complicated to set up a payment process, and it's really simple for your customers, and it gives you great flexibility in setting up your store.